Welcome back to this video. If you have been running out of data, and here is how you can simply fix the issue by borrowing data from Glo without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your phone dialer. So click on my dialer right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply dial *303#. Then make sure you hit on send. And this is going to pump up. So simply click on here and make sure you type number 3, which is borrow data. Click on that and send. And this is going to pump up. Now you are eligible to this particular package of borrowing data in Glo. Now here, if you are not satisfied with some of the information right here, maybe the data you want to borrow should be lesser than this or more than this. What you need to do is to type in 99 to move to the next paragraph. So I'm going to click on here and type in 99 and click on send. Then you have additional information right here. Now you have as low as 50 naira, you get 40 megabytes. So if you want to go back to the previous, simply click on here and make sure you type in 98 and click on send. It takes you back to the previous. So right here in this tutorial, I'm going to use 500 naira for 500 megabytes plus 1 gig as an example in this tutorial. What I'm going to do is to simply type in number 4 right here. Click on here and type number 4. This simply means that I'm borrowing data of 500 naira, which means Glo is going to give me 500 megabytes plus 1 gig night. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on send. So once you click on send, you get an information just like what you see on my screen right here. Dear customer, you have received 500 megabytes plus 1 gig in your BMD account. What's to pay this amount? So you are paying back 575 naira, and then you need to make sure you make the payment back by this particular date. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to borrow data if you actually run out of data in Glo. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.